Ay kung magtingin na kayo ni Honorable Fernandez, may ibig sabihin eh. Lingon ka ng lingon sa kanya. Akala ko nga siyang abogado mo kanina, Iya, hindi si Atty. Topacio. Bago po ang hearing na ito, nag-usap na po ba kayo ni Honorable Fernandez? Kasi marami siyang alam na hindi ko alam eh. Nag-textan kayo o nag-usap kayo sa cellphone? Yes or no?
Congressman Ako first.
I only have two queries, Mr. Chair, kasi chair pa ako ng committee hearing bukas. Madam Casiong, bago po ang hearing na ito, nag-usap na po ba kayo ni Honorable Fernandez?
Pwede pa ulit po?
Bago itong hearing na ito, kasi nag-conduct kami ng hearing ng Joint Committee hearing ng Games at saka Public Order and Safety. Doon una na ikaw ay na-cite in contempt. That is why you are here today. Magmula nung hearing na yon, nag-usap na ba kayo ni Honorable Fernandez? Kasi marami siyang alam na hindi ko alam eh. Ay, hindi. Investigador ako, Iha. Sana matandaan mo yun. Makuha mo yun. Kasi, pagpasok ko dito kanina nung ikaw, ay kung magtingin na kayo ni Honorable Fernandez, may ibig sabihin eh. Lingon ka ng lingon sa kanya. Akala ko nga siyang abogado mo kanina, Iha, hindi si Atty. Topacio eh. Nag-textan kayo o nag-usap kayo sa cellphone? Yes or no? O, bakit ka nakatingin kay Honorable Fernandez? O, nangungumpisal na siya?
Once lang po.
Ang text o pag-uusap?
Text and usap po, once lang po.
So, once na text, once na usap?
Yes.
Opo.
Now, Madam Casiong, kanina nung si Honorable Luistro ang nagtatanong po sa inyo, para bang ayaw niyong sumagot. Tinanong pa kita, what was your answer? Ang sagot mo sa akin, I refuse to testify. Bakit noong si Honorable Gutierrez at saka si Honorable Fernandez ang nagtanong, relax na relax kang sumagot. Kaya tuloy ako, hindi nagtanong kanina. Dahil kanina refuse to testify ang kwa mo, sagot mo, Iha eh. Kaya tuloy, hindi na ako nagtanong. Pero napansin ko, nung yung mga gwapong lalaki ang nagtatanong, sumagot po kayo. At relax na relax na. May I know the reason why?
Okay, can I explain po, di ba? Nung una, I really want to refuse to answer po. And then, kinausap po ako ng abogado ko na magsalita ng committee na to. That's why nagsalita po ako. Tumiming lang po talaga kay Madam Chair.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Yun lang po ang naobserbahan ko kasi marami pong salamat.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Mr. Chair,
Because we
ako na.
have a pending, no, it's not a pending motion, but we have a already approved that Ms. Cassandra Leong will be were cited in contempt
Si Chairman Paduano na yon.
twice. So I don't know with the decision of the body because after this, of course, the Sergeant at Arms will bring her to Mandaluyong.
Mr.
If
Chairman.
our motion or our approval of that motion stays. But since he cooperated, no, rightly with all of us, I think we have to. I think it is incumbent upon us to withdraw that
You're not the
motion.
movant, co-chair, Dan? Mr. Chairman?
Dadali sa Mandaluyong yan, kayo rin.
And what is the
May-
pleasure of the
Mr.
body?
Chair, the motion to cite her for contempt stays, but the motion to bring her to Mandaluyong, I don't think it has been actually ruled by the chair. So therefore, it is not binding, Mr. Chair.
No, there was a ruling earlier. That,
Was a ruling?
yes,
So-
Your Honor. There was a ruling earlier that we cited her for contempt and she will be detained for as long as the committee hearing is terminated, and she will be detained at Bikutan City Jail. Bikutan
Yeah.
Women's Correctional.
Women's Correctional, Mandaluyong.
Sorry, it's not Bikutan City Jail. But there was already a ruling, and now I believe that there is now a motion by Congressman Dan Fernandez to withdraw this contempt
And
order by this committee in consideration of the cooperation made by Ms. Cassandra Ong in this committee hearing of the Quadcom. So I'd like to ask the movant to formally make this motion so that the committee will decide on the fate of Cassandra Ong.
but before we
Congressman,
but before we acknowledge